Thank you for choosing SloanLED, an industry leader in LED illumination for the sign industry. This is a short video to demonstrate the installation of the SloanLED SignBOX light. SignBOX light provides bright, even illumination for standard to deep profile sign cabinets. The modules are mounted on a flexible strip, making it easy for single-person installations. Easy slide-in couplers are available to connect strips and chains, eliminating any waste of product. Please note that electrical codes do vary by locality. Be sure to acquire any necessary permits before starting the job and adhere to local regulations during the installation. Getting started. Before we get started, it is important to remind you to watch this complete video and read through the install guide. Doing this can save you time and money. First, we will review the tools and supplies that will make the job much easier. Then we will demonstrate the 4 easy steps of installing the SignBOX light. Finally, we will show you how to use the optional brackets and couplers.
You will need the following supplies shown here. Refer to your install guide for the complete list.
Before you start, it is important to use a non-oil-based cleaner to clean the inside surface of the sign. If tape will be used, be sure to clean any mounting surfaces with alcohol for proper tape adhesion. You will also need to decide if you want to run the product vertically or horizontally. Vertical installation is the preferred direction. To determine the spacing and number of rows required, refer to the layout guidelines in the install guide. The suggested spacing is 8 to 9 inches from the face and 12 inches or 300 millimeters apart. If you have any questions about how to lay out the product, please consult the SloanLED Customer Service Department. They can help you determine the number and length of SignBOX sections and power supplies required for your installation. For vertical mounting, it is recommended to add supports at even intervals, no further apart than 8 feet or 2.4 meters. For horizontal mounting, space the supports at even intervals but no further apart than 6 feet or 1.8 meters. Step 1. First, cut the strips to the required length. Strips can be cut between modules. Additional wire is stored at each end of the module and can be pulled out to make desired connections. Step 2. Use the SignBOX light couplers to join 2 shorter strips to reach required length. Adjoining modules should be flipped opposite of each other so the LED pattern alternates between modules. Secure modules to the coupler with a number 8 pan head self-tapping sheet metal screw anywhere along the module grooves. Step 3. Mount modules to the back using either pan head self-tapping sheet metal screws anywhere along the module grooves or double-sided stick tape, which is not included. Step 4. Using UL-listed electrical connectors, daisy chain strips as required and connect to the SloanLED power supply. Strips may be daisy chained in series or parallel configurations, not to exceed 16 feet or 4.9 meters of the SignBOX light. It is important to make sure you check all polarity. All connections must be red to red and black to black. Using mounting brackets. Mounting brackets can be mounted horizontally or vertically. Always mount brackets to structural supports. Snap the modules into mounting brackets on both ends until the strip is taut. To easily slide strips into brackets, press the wings on either side of the bracket. Depending on the application, you may want to attach the bracket on the second side and fasten the bracket in place. After sliding the module into place, secure the modules to the brackets with a number 8 pan head self-tapping sheet metal screw anywhere along the module grooves. The metal is extremely sharp, so take care when handling. Now it is time to test your sign by powering up and making sure everything is working. Thank you for taking the time to watch this installation video. We designed the SignBOX light to be easy to install, and if you follow these instructions carefully, you shouldn't experience any difficulty. But if you do, please call us or visit our website at SloanLED.com. We'll be glad to help. We have technical support available through our North American and European offices.